Hi, welcome to this IT4U quick tip. So IT4U is a series of interactive webinars brought to you by Information Technology Services. But this is just a quick tip. And today it's going to be about using the filter bar in Business Objects, and our presenter is Mark Davis Craig from ITS. Let me turn it over to Mark.
Hi. So the filter bar is a relatively new thing in Business Objects, and it's underdocumented. So that's why we're doing it in this quick tip. You're in reading mode, not design mode. A lot of things we do in design mode, but this is reading mode for using the filter bar. And the filter bar is up here. It's a way that you can make the stuff down here when your report is big and you want to show less of it to make just fewer things happen. This is a standard report from recruiting and admissions data. I have blocked all of the names from the report to begin with. And a filter just lets you sort of say, I want to have just the permanent residents from the admissions data. So I picked that. And now the citizenship is just showing permanent residents. It used to show all of them, all values, the US citizens, the permanent residents, and everybody. I can have ethnic group of just the Asians. So now it's just showing me people whose ethnic group here is Asian only. It used to be all of them. You can put multiple ones together. You could have the not indicated and the permanent residents. That's actually just one person. To remove one of these things, you just click remove. To add another one, you click on the icon here that says add simple report filter. And depending on how many elements are in your query, you just pick one. I'm going to add for academic career. It's as easy as that. Now academic career shows up. And if I want to limit it just to the engineering ones, then I can pick engineering, and it'll just limit it to the engineering ones. That's the report tip, is you can use the simple report filter when you have a big report and you want not to have to add query to change your criteria. You want to be able to share this report with a whole bunch of other people who want to see different things. Maybe on the department reconciler report, you want to specify it just down to the program code because you have a whole bunch of stuff and people only care about the program code, but that isn't something that we drill for. Maybe there are other filters that you want to put on. It lets you pick your own filter. You can write a report, share it with other people, or use it yourself and just pick one or more filters to limit the results that you're seeing in your report.
Maybe you have a quick tip to share. If you do, get in touch with us, IT4U-announce-requests at umich.edu. And thank you very much.